I tell you, these cars used to be, man, all over the junkyards. I used to trip over these things back in the day, man. These G-bodies, and yes, I know. In this year, it was still technically an A body. But it's a kind of a rare sight to see these days, but I tell you, 1979 Buick Regal. Got a full set of those wheels, man. Unfortunately, they're 14s. I don't rock the 14s. And it's actually not bad, you know. Where'd she get that? 301 is it? Last on the road. I think this would be 97, but I think this is that is 2000 though. So we're talking a good almost 23 years off the road. Got a lot of little dings and whatnot. One of the things I came to see if this was an aluminum deck lid, and it's in pretty nice shape, man. Unfortunately, she's not an aluminum deck lid. Dang it, that sucks. Why? Why could she not be aluminum? I can't make that out. That back bumper's in nice shape. Look at this impact strip is in really good shape. Tail lights are usable. I mean, the deck looks good if somebody needs it, but you know, this isn't all bitched up. But like I said, I'm looking for aluminum. For those that don't know, you can swap these over. These will interchange with the Monte Carlo. I've got a couple of them, you know, but one of mine's it's all bitched up right here. So I had to you know, smooth it out and cover it with fiberglass. It's on my car now. This is a limited. I always check. Well, we'll look down there in a second. This had believe this had a top. If I'm not mistaken. And it's been repainted, obviously. Yeah, a lot of dings, a lot of dents, but man, I really don't see rust on this thing. That impact strip, man, look at that. That bumper's in nice shape. Not sure what the deal is with this crap was. It ate up the paint here. Almost like it. No, like it had some kind of something that was corroding this. Not sure how much damage it caused. This is a plastic grill, but outside of that, the grill is actually, there's nothing wrong with it. The hood's damaged right here in this area. Whatever it was sitting on it. The windshield is, I'm not sure if let me look on the inside here. Yeah, I think it's got a crack up there. Spindle for it. This 81 Malibu. Got a Pontiac spare. Well, they were as a full size if they were using it as a spare. It's also 14. Probably off a Grand Prix or something. There's a spare there. Yeah. Sucks. This thing's not aluminum. Damn it. So I always gotta look under a G-body, man. Unfortunately, that is a 7.5. I've only ever found one 8.5 under a G-body that wasn't, you know, it was a 442 or a Grand National. I wonder if they actually probably rebuilt that transmission as well. I wonder. Drive shaft don't look bad either. Interior, I mean, somebody that needs it. These are in decent shape. The felts. Of course, this is no power or anything. We don't manual door locks, manual windows, 40-60 split bench here, but she does got the pillow tops. Got a tilt. I wonder if this is what was on, you know, grab this from the, what do you call it, like in a wedding, chick has it on her leg. I don't know if that's it. If that's that. Let me tell you that dash, this part's cracked, but this part here actually appears to be in good shape. I don't know how hard these things are to take off, but I think these will interchange all the way up to like 87 or whatnot. It's possible. I'm not 100% sure on that. This guy spent a little money on this car, actually. I always like to look up in here. These change sometimes. Of course, you won't have a RPO codes on this one. It would be like a build sheet. I know I love my G-bodies, man. I got me a. Oh, this would have been the color, see? Or they didn't take the deal off, and that was its original color, brown. There you go. I can't really see much there. Or I think it was brown. Well, maybe it wasn't. I don't know. Maybe it was a different. That'd have been a different door. How's this? Actually, these top pieces, you know, they're weathered, dirty, but they aren't ripped. Yeah. Of course, these, you know, plastic on these things just tends to get real brittle. Doors ain't that bad either. Like I said, this car is. I didn't see any rust on this thing, man. That is freaking amazing. Yeah, it's got a little bit of warpage on her, but man, if I needed one of these, shoot, I'd be grabbing this. That dash showing 60,000. It's got a tilt, but she got some damage there. Somebody still might take it though. Regal. Headliner. No bueno. Yeah. Like I said here, this stuff's still decent shape as well. I have a good set, so yeah. Yeah, man. Let's get that I think you can see it, right? Alright. Look under this rope. Let me run inside here. Now, she has, although she didn't have the aluminum deck lid, she does have something, very, very rare. I'll show you in a minute. Man, oh man. I wonder about this? I wonder if Larry over there, One Man Garage, knows this is worth taking. I don't know. This intake, this air cleaner. It's, you know, it's 301, but it's a 4-barrel intake. I'm sorry, it's a 4-barrel air cleaner. So, and it's got the deal there, so you can run the HEI. The carburetor don't look bad either. It's not stuck. But in my, I mean, this guy kept receipts. He spent a little money on this car. Give me 1 second here. I want to show the guy's name. Regal had in what was this, in 90, had less than 20,000 miles on it. Andrew Motors transmission. Get the rest of it here. And one of these is all, I think it might be this one here. Alright, check out all those done to this. 301 short block assembly, 395 cylinder head assemblies, 180 lifters, oil pump plugs, thermostat gaskets, oil filter and labor, all to $990. Yeah, so you know, there was work done to it. But now I'll show you what I'm talking about here. You see that? That right there, that A. This is a very, very rare aluminum radiator core support. I have two of them, one on my Monte and a spare one. These things are very, very hard to find. And you know, I think I sold one years ago for like 300 bucks. Let's get that I hope you can see it's back there. Let me see if I can see if that light will. Well, you know, I wasn't planning on taking anything from this car because I didn't see. I don't know, maybe now I might take a couple things. But, well, there it is, people. '79 A/Gbody Regal. Ain't a shame. Put this back there. Yep. Could have been saved, actually. My opinion, anyways. Alright, people. On to the next one.